Hello everyone, welcome back once again. So 1inch is another decentralized exchange platform that you should be making use of if you are really into the crypto space. Now, one of the advantages of using this app is that for all traders, if you are a kind of someone who trades cryptocurrencies all the time, or you're a professional trader, this app is very useful in the sense that if you are trading any pair, you can analyze most of the liquidity pairs that are very good in that you can use and trade with. Okay, so what this app does, because a whole lot of decentralized wallets or exchanges are having a whole lot of issues when it comes to selecting pairs that are good in terms of liquidity. So what this wallet actually does is to select all the pairs that are tradable, all the good pairs that are tradable, analyze them for you, and then you can now select any of them. You can even see them right at the section at your dashboard, where you can analyze the best pairs and then choose the ones that you want and use them and trade with them and make some money from them. All right, that is what this wallet has solved, and that is one of the things that some of the wallets that I used in the past, like Rainbow Wallet, doesn't offer. Even that is one feature that even the Trust Wallet doesn't offer, but this wallet offers that. Okay, so if you are a type that uses decentralized wallets all the time to store your coins or to trade your coins, now this is one of the apps that you should be making use of. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to register this app and how to make use of it. All right, so if you're new to this channel, ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications, because I'm going to be showing you how I trade with this app in the next video. That is why you have to ensure that you stay connected. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications, so that whenever I'm dropping the next video, you are always going to be updated on time. You can also do your best to join the Telegram group to stay updated, and whenever I'm dropping the signals on how to make use of this platform to trade and make some money off the crypto space. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, you can decide to either import your wallet. Okay, in case you have an existing Web3 wallet, now you can always import any Web3 wallet, either from MetaMask or Trust Wallet or Rainbow Wallet or any other Web3 wallet. So far as it is Web3, it is still the same Ethereum blockchain that they are all built on. So therefore, it can work in any wallet. All right. So what I'm actually telling you is that any wallet, if you are using any wallet like MetaMask, you can also import that same wallet into another Web3 wallet. It is going to work perfectly. I hope that is clear enough. Now, I don't want to import wallet. I just want to create a new wallet so that I can see how the process works. All right, so to create a new wallet, you just have to come over here and tap on this create button right there. So as soon as you tap on that create button, you have to come over here and tap on create right now. So as soon as you are done, you have to come. You have just done the process of creating a wallet. You see how simple it is. So you can come over here and click on let go, or you can as well come over here and click on backup my wallet. All right, now this backup my wallet is going to allow you to secure your wallet. So for the sake of this video, I just want to click on backup my wallet. Okay, I'll click on backup my wallet. So it will take you to this section where you can safeguard your wallet. Like I said, the essence of backing up your wallet is so that other third parties can't have access to your wallet. I hope that is clear enough. Now it will take you to this section. Go ahead and click on got now. Okay, got now. You write down your seed phrase. Okay, you write down your seed phrase. As soon as you write down this your seed phrase, go ahead and click on this wallet. Okay, you click on this, highlight this. All right. So as soon as you highlight that, you go ahead, your wallet has been successfully created. So congratulations, your wallet has been done. That is how to go about the process. So you click on open wallet, and as soon as you click on open wallet, congratulations, this is your wallet that has just been created. All right, this is your wallet that has just been created. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to trade with this wallet and how to deposit funds into this wallet. So if you're new in this channel, so these are some of the features that you should be aware of. So in case you want to buy any token, you come over here and click on this button right here. So as soon as you click on that button, you click on this buy you see right here. You tap on it, and then when you tap on it, it's going to load up all the tokens that you can buy right here in this wallet. Okay, you can see all the various tokens that you can buy, and most of these tokens that you see here now are built on. Now these are all the networks that you can buy the tokens from. If you highlight this thing to the right, it's going to bring out other networks in which you can buy their tokens. Okay, so now in case you want to buy, let's say Polygon, you click on that Polygon, and it is going to bring out all the tokens that are built on Polygon. All right, so these are all the tokens that are built on the Polygon network. Okay, so in case now I say I want to buy a token, a particular token, I'll click on it. For instance, let me click on the AI stablecoin. I'll tap on it. So as soon as I tap on it, I'll now insert the amount that I want to buy right here. I'll insert the amount I want to buy right here, and this amount is going to be in USDT. Okay, and now there are third parties that you can use. One of the beauty of this app is that there are other third parties you can use to buy tokens from this app, unlike other wallets, like some of the wallets like MetaMask that you will be expecting to buy. You have to have a particular third party or to buy from. But here they have like options. Like there are a lot of options you can use to buy tokens right here in this wallet. Okay, you can see there are about 3 options you can buy using either the Stripe. Okay, either the Stripe, if your country is supported. You can buy using the Transact, and you can also buy using the Banza. There are 3 options there you can use to buy. So in case you want to buy, you have to use that Banza. Or let's say, for example, is on Banza. I want to buy, I'll click on this buy right here. So as soon as you click on that buy right here, you fill in this information, you toggle this to the right, you toggle this on, and then click on continue. Okay, so as soon as you click on continue, you have to first of all go and register on Banza, fund your Banza account. Okay, as soon as you fund your Banza account, you can now use it to make transaction directly from the app. You can always use it to buy tokens automatically from the 1inch wallet. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how I buy tokens directly on this 1inch wallet, just like I said earlier. Okay, that will be for the next video, so that this video don't get too long enough. I hope that is clear enough. So let's go back. So that is how you buy. That's just basically the little the easy step on how to buy from the crypto, to buy any crypto using this Banza, using this 1inch. I hope that is clear enough. So now let's go back. In case you want to receive any tokens using this wallet, what you have to do is to click on, still the same place, you click on this place, the middle button right here, you tap on it. So as soon as you tap on it, go ahead and click on receive now, and then once you click on that receive now, you can now send you can now click this your address. Okay, you can now click this your copy this your address and send it to the person, for the person you want to buy tokens from. All right, you can now copy it and send to your exchange, or paste it in your exchange and buy tokens directly from there and put in this your wallet. Okay, so now in case you want to buy other pairs, let's say for instance you want to buy other pairs, you just have to click on there and you come over here and select the network, the type of network you want to copy the address. Okay, so that is how you copy a particular address in this wallet. I hope you are understanding all that I'm telling you. Now in case you want to swap any token, still the same way, go ahead and click on this middle button. So as soon as you click on that middle button, go ahead and click on swap. Okay, you click on swap. As soon as you click on that swap now, you can swap any token to the 1inch token. All right, you can decide to swap any token by highlighting this button. As soon as you highlight this button, you can now decide to swap any pair. Okay, If you don't find the pair you're looking for, just come over here and toggle this to the right, drag it to the left, okay. And now if you have USDT, you can now decide to swap your USDT to you can decide to swap your USDT to either Polygon or Ethereum or Avalanche, any of them that you like. All right, I hope that is clear enough. Now these are I've just explained all you need to know about this wallet. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section. And if there is any other thing you don't understand, still let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and see you in the next video.